How to replace a Human Touch Vesta Backrest Actuator. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a needle-nosed pliers to complete this procedure. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, remove the head pillow from the chair. Place the remote on the left-hand side of the chair seat, with the cable tucked between the chair arm and the backrest. Disconnect the chair power cord from the power supply by lifting up on the connector lock and then disconnecting the connectors. Gently tip the chair onto its left-hand side. Remove the strap that secures the actuator cables to the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the control module to the backrest actuator. Slide the control module toward the front of the chair to detach it from the actuator. Disconnect the backrest actuator cable from the control module. Using a needle-nosed pliers, remove the cotter pin that secures the rear of the actuator. Push the hinge pin downward to remove it, then remove the washer from the top of the mounting point. Remove the cotter pin, hinge pin, and washer from the front mounting point. Remove the actuator from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new actuator into position, with the motor facing upward, then replace the rear hinge pin from the bottom of the mounting point. Replace the washer on the top of the mounting point, then replace the cotter pin to secure the actuator. Align the front actuator mounting points, then replace the hinge pin from the bottom. Replace the washer on the top of the mounting point, then replace the cotter pin to secure the actuator. Connect the actuator connector to the control module. Align the control module brackets with the corresponding brackets on the backrest actuator, then slide the control module toward the rear of the chair to attach the control module to the backrest actuator. Replace the screw to secure the control module to the backrest actuator. Gather all of the cables coming from the control module, then replace the strap to secure them to the chair frame. Gently return the chair to the upright position. Place the head pillow into position, threading the flap through the retaining strap on the back of the chair. Place the remote on the right-hand side of the chair. A magnet holds it in place. Connect the chair's power cord to the power supply, then close the connector lock to secure it. And you're done.